it's going to be a really fresh makeup and very easy. Hi guys! So for today's video, I am gonna teach you how to do a very quick makeup. This video is good for beginners. If you are expert, you're free to stay, to comment, to critique. And also we're gonna try out the Pallete One Day Tattoo. This one, I bought this last week. I also have used Tony Moly. I hope that I can get another one so I can compare the two. Tony Moly, the 7-Day Tattoo brow pen. It's the real MVP. I'm not sure if this pen can defeat the Tony Moly that I love so much. So as we open the packaging, the tip looks like this. And it's so light. It's really light. See? But it's buildable, but it's really light. I'm not expecting that. The Tony Moly gives you a really good pigment. I like the tip. It's really thin. It can mimic the brow hairs. I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm gonna go ahead and put concealer. I don't really use foundation. I'm only putting where my eye bags are. And then on the bridge of your nose. Sorry, I'm using Maybelline the Fit Me Concealer. I'm in the shade 01. So yeah. So here. Oh my god, can you see that? Hey, let me just adjust the camera so you would see. There you go. I'm sorry for the lighting. It's you can use beauty blender for this, but for me, I'm gonna use my fingertips because I heard and I've also realized that okay. I'm sorry for the light. For this one, we can use a brush. I'm just gonna use this because I think it's easy. Just gonna blend that. So just by putting on concealer, it's just like you have contoured your nose already. I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York Master Contour. This one is from my niece, by the way. She left it at our house. Taking out this angled mermaid brush, we're gonna take the contour powder. That's what they do, right? Like the makeup artists online.
Okay, if you want to like put some here, you can do so.
You can also get a nicer brush, which is like this one, fluffy blending brush, and get some. Just taking the same color, and then you can start from here. And then just blend here. Okay, just start from here. Just blend. Sorry. There you go. And then here. And then here again. So. Powder is getting inside my nostrils. Funny. I'm gonna put some here on my lids. From the same palette, I'm gonna take the highlighter. Yeah, I'm actually using highlighter first before brows and before the blush. So all we need to do is to put brow bone, and then put some here. Sculpted already, and I'm gonna take now the blush and put it here. And here. And now that's done, and now we're gonna go ahead and use our key palette that I've been dying to try. There, before we put that. Now the test. To outline you guys your brows first. Oh, looks good. And then that's how I do it before we go and fill in what's left and fill. And what you can do is to also put fake hairs on your brows like this. I have here the Maybelline Fashion Brow. This one, it's gold. What I do is I spray the brush, the tip with an alcohol. You can also spray it with water, or I don't know what works with you, but I like to get the middle shade and fill in. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna do the other. So that's my brows. Let's just do a very quick eyeshadow. And from the same palette, use a ring finger to get the color of these both. So I'm gonna use the blush first and just cover the lids with it, just like that. And then the other one. And then I'm gonna get this brown too, and then put here. We're gonna get this one, highlight, and put a little bit here, just a little bit. And we'll just line my eyes. And just stretch. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one. Let's tight line. We're just gonna add mascara. I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl, by the way. And to define our eyes more, we need to just add a little bit of a brown under your eyes here to give it more of a definition, and then just like smudge it like that. We're gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder to just set it all. And we're gonna use this Maybelline Mesmerizing Magenta. So we're just gonna put this inside the lips. That, and then we are going to use again, still from Maybelline. This is Toasted Brown for the outsides. There. And this one is from H&M Showstopper Gloss. Also, if you want to put faux freckles, you can do so just by adding some like little spots onto your face. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit unsubscribe button. I hope you learned something today. I hope I have been informative and entertaining. I hope I didn't bore you out. So don't forget to hit on the like as well, and comment down below if you have anything to say. Everything is welcome. I hope to see you on my next video, and have a great day ahead. Bye!